Hi, let's talk about capital expenditure and capital receipt. What is capital expenditure? Capital expenditure is that expenditure which either creates assets or reduces liability. For example, let's talk about government. So the government is creating a new port, airport, railway station. It is a capital expenditure for the government because it is creating an asset. Similarly, if a private firm, it is setting up a new building, a new vertical, or is buying new technology, it is also capital expenditure because it is creating an asset. What is capital receipt? Capital receipt is which either creates liability or reduces the asset. So if the government is taking a loan, it's a capital receipt. Similarly, now corporate capital receipts are of two types: debt creating capital receipts, non-debt creating capital receipts. Debt creating capital receipts which are to be returned, which create liability. Non-debt creating receipt, then non-debt creating capital receipts, they're not to be returned. So if a private firm, so let's see this question. So the private firm is going for debt financing. If it is debt financing means the private firm is getting money. It is a receipt. It is debt financing. It means it is creating a liability. It is debt creating capital receipt. That means private firm is taking a loan from a bank. Debt financing, it is an example of debt creating capital receipt. Equity financing means the private firm is selling equity. It's selling equity through IPO or FPO and it is getting fund. It is equity financing. It is also a capital receipt because it is leading to reduction of asset. The shareholding is being reduced. Hence, it is a non-debt creating capital receipt. So first option, that getting new technology is capital expenditure. Yes, it is capital expenditure. But what about equity financing and debt financing? Both are example of capital receipts. All right. Thank you.